Hello guys, Radhe Radhe. Let's see the question. If time period of simple pendulum depends on length of pendulum L and acceleration due to gravity G, then derive a relation of time in terms of L and G. Okay, so we have to find the relation of time by using L and G. Okay, so you can write this as M0 L0 T1 is directly proportional to the length of pendulum x and acceleration due to gravity y. Okay, so the length of pendulum is Lx and acceleration due to gravity is Lt minus 2. We can write this as, okay. Now here you can write that here length is, the power of length is 0, okay, and here the power of length is x plus y, so we can write it as x is equals to minus y. Okay, now here the power of time is 1 equals to, here the power of time is minus 2y, so we can write it as y is equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, we find out the value of y. Now we can find out the value of x also. So here x will be, x is equals to minus half, then the value of x will be half. Okay, now we can derive the formula of time. When time is directly proportional to the L. Here we find the value of x is half and value of y is minus 2. G is equals to minus 2. So we can write it as t is equals to root L upon G. So we derive the formula of time. So hope you like this video. Thank you.